Welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Dean Ashton, and today I'm on board a 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. You'll see in the photos the boat has the white hull sides. We've outfitted it with the black sports arch with integrated black bimini top. For power, we've upgraded the engine. It's the 200 horsepower Mercury V6, also in white. You have a ski pylon here off the transom. SeaDeck matting in gray that runs across the swim platform and the walk-through. Nice big sun pad across the transom. L-shaped seating on the port side with an adjustable backrest to give you either an aft-facing lounger or forward-facing seat. Does have the blue LED lighting package, which you can see. Stainless steel cup holders. Nice storage compartment here underneath the aft seat. With the redesign of this 210 SPX, this is a self-bailing deck, which is really nice. Nice bucket seat here at the helm. The V6 Mercury is a digital throttle and shift. Simrad, GPS depth finder, fish finder, all standard. Fusion Bluetooth stereo. This has the infinity woven snap-down carpet liner. Making our way up to the bow of the boat. You have a windshield that'll close, nice deep seating that you can stretch out here. This does have the stone interior, which is the gray with the darker vinyl, stainless steel grab handles, and it has a designated bow anchor locker. That's a real quick look at our 2026 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. For more information, give us a call at 910-256-8100.